Hello and welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin and today we're going to be unboxing my Boxycharm Premium for the month of September. And for those of you who do not know, Boxycharm is a beauty subscription that has 3 different tiers. This is the premium box, which costs $35 a month, and you do receive 6 full-size items inside. So you get to choose 2 out of 6 items. So let's go ahead and open up and see what I got inside. Okay, this is first impressions when opening up my box. And the card on top is BTS, which is the theme of the month. And on the back is the products listed inside and their values. So first up, I'm pulling out Mercier Balancing Foam Cleanser. And this was my choice item. I've always liked all of Mercier's products, at least the ones that I've tried. I have not tried the face wash or the skincare part of it so much yet, but definitely excited to try it. As more higher end. And the box even has textured details to it, which makes it really nice as well. It says it's a balancing foam cleanser, instantly transforms into rich, creamy lather, leaving skin feeling clean, fresh, and energized. Okay, and the main ingredient is water, so it is a water-based product, which is good to know. And I like how they transitioned the detail on the front of the box to the detail on the front of the bottle. And I don't know if you can really see that in this lighting here. The container is also textured the same as the front of the box, which is a nice touch. We do have a seal on the face wash, which I'm going to go ahead and open because I go through face washes pretty quickly, so not too worried about that. It has a very clean smell to it. I really enjoy that smell. Definitely looking forward to trying this out. Let's see how much this one is valued at. This foam cleanser is actually valued at $30. And next up is from Beauty Bakery Milk and Honey Highlighter Palette, which I was really hoping that I would get this inside. I've seen a lot of swatches on it and the colors just like, I just can't wait to swatch it for myself. And I like that they put the extra protection on the packaging to make sure that it gets to you safely. And here is the highlighter palette, and it's just the detail on this with the honeycombs is just so cute to me and fun, and you don't see stuff like that often in packaging, so it's always nice to see something like this. And here, and the pan sizes on this are absolutely huge, which makes it nice. It won't even really does justice for it on camera. This is such a beautiful palette. And let's get these swatches in. Oh wow, absolutely gorgeous. I am so pleased with this. I'm so happy that I got this. Look at the pigment on these. So beautiful. And they blend out to gorgeous, gorgeous colors. That's them all blended together. So this is valued at $38, and I could definitely see why. Just because the packaging, the pan size, and the pigment color already, I could definitely see the value in this. And let's move on and see what else we got in here. Oh, another thing I was hoping to get. This is from Bloomfx, the same one that sent us the jelly moisturizer. Was it a couple months ago in that little cute little blue jar? Well, this is a Tulip Dew Mist, fragrance free. And this is the outside packaging. Love the hint of blue inside of the metal there. It's just a nice extra touch. And I'm actually just going to use this right now. Oh, even though it's fragrance free, you still have that natural scent from the tulips that they use for this. And it smells so good. I love this. Let's see. This is valued at $34, which this is a smaller container, but everything that they make is made out of their tulips that they have from over there. So all natural products definitely for it. And next up we have this Verb Ghost Oil, and I was actually really excited to see this brand in here because thanks to Birchbox, I got to try out some of the Verb shampoo and conditioner, which was absolutely amazing and felt like made my hair feel so soft and so healthy. So when I seen Verb Ghost Oil in here, even though it's something different, I was definitely excited to use it because everything I've used from this brand so far has knocked it out of the park. So here is this, and I'm going to go ahead and just see what this smells like. And it does smell very similar to their shampoo. It smells very good. Very clean smell to it, like that fresh, clean linen smell. And that is valued at $18, which is not a ridiculous price at all because oil, you just need a teensy tiny little bit, and a little bit goes a long way with that. Trust me. And next up was another choice that I had was Seraphine Botanicals, which is another brand that has yet to disappoint me. I've tried lip stuff from them, some moisturizers from them, and a couple other things I just can't remember right now. But all their stuff has been very good. And this is, it drew my attention. It's made out of rhubarb and rose, and it's a creamy lip and cheek palette. And the packaging is, to me, very simple, very elegant. You have the detailed rose over there to show the little bit of elegancy inside of the packaging, but then you have the plain white as well, just to keep it kind of basic and not over the top. So you gotta appreciate good packaging. That is a key selling point to me, and I think it's a lot of us ladies out here. If the packaging looks good, if packaging looks nice, we're more likely to purchase it than if it's just like a whatever packaging. Inside we do have a full mirror, and these pan sizes are pretty decent. Just looking at it, I'm already impressed by the color scheme they have going on here. It looks like a little bit of everything for anything for everyone, and different lip and cheek colors in here. And I've been really excited to get this swatched, or at least let me try some of this on. Like, That definitely looks nice. So just push a little bit of that into my cheeks and then a little bit of that on my lips, and I think that's absolutely gorgeous, and I am really excited to play with this, especially with the proper tools and brushes, not just my fingers. But here again is the lovely thing. I'm going to do some swatches of this and I'll be right back. And you gotta love the different variety of and the different tones of pinks and mauves and peaches that they have inside of this palette. There really is a tone in here for everyone, and I am the type of person, I'll be willing to try all of these. I am excited to get to try something like this out, because now that I'm getting older, I wanted to get more into like a cream based products. I heard it is a little bit easier on the skin and for anti-aging and what have you than a powder. But anyways, going back to this, is a $45 value, and I definitely believe it, because Seraphine Botanicals is not a cheap brand whatsoever. But they do use all natural products, and they are a cruelty-free and vegan brand, which is very important to me to know that they're not testing on animals. And last but not least, we have from the Complex Culture, and it's a Sonic T-Bar facial massager. And this is valued at $58. So let's go ahead and see if this is also, let's do a little bit of reading on this, because this looks like a rose gold almost tip to it, and I like the heaviness of this. It definitely doesn't feel cheap at all. And I thought it was going to have like a jade roller or something on it. The Sonic powered tool delivers a modern facial to increase blood flow, reduce puffiness, relieve facial tension, and help tone facial contours. Give yourself the daily luxury of an at-home massage to temporarily smooth and sculpt skin. Rejuvenate and sculpt your skin in just a matter of minutes whenever you squeeze it into your routine. Okay, so this, you put a battery in it, just like the other facial massager that we got, but it's just a little bit different. Yeah, it just has one battery that goes in there. And I'm always like, I always like to do spa-like stuff and make myself feel relaxed and help relieve some of that extra stress. And stuff like this really does help. Having that extra step of self-care, it really does help with the stress levels in the everyday life. So let's go ahead and get a quick value of this box, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with my total box value. It's $223 for this month for the premium box for the month of September. I'm Erin. Thanks so much for watching.